Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna do something super exciting. We're actually gonna be recreating, if you guys watch Let's Do Makeup, you guys know she does cakes all the time. And I love watching her videos when she makes cakes. So I decided, it's the day before Christmas, well, Christmas Eve, but if you're Spanish, you know Christmas is tomorrow. So I decided to recreate one of her cakes. I'm actually gonna be recreating the very simple cake that she made with Alex because I feel like that's the only thing I would possibly be able to do. All her other cakes are so like extravagant that there's no way I'm even gonna attempt to do those. But yeah, pretty much I'm not gonna be making anything from scratch other than the cakes because I'm not a baker. So I'm gonna show you guys in a minute what I ended up getting. But before we get started, I wanted to say shout out to everybody that subscribed to my channel. We have 80 subscribers, which I know doesn't seem like a lot, but I didn't start my channel that long ago and there's already 80 of us. So I can't wait to get to 100 and I can't wait until we're like this huge family over here. So before we start the video, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below, leave me a comment, and like this video, just, you know, to get me out there. And leave me a comment letting me know anything you want. Honestly, I respond back to every single one of my comments because I just love, it's like kind of like a heartwarming feeling when you guys leave me a comment. I love reading them. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So let's get started with the video. By the way, I'm sorry if this is like a little awkward setup. I don't really know how to set up the camera like for you to be able to see me and the cake, and I was trying to stand up at first, but that wasn't working because I was like way too above my table. My table is really low. But yeah, anyways, let's get started. I'm praying that this comes out very nice because if it does, I'm definitely taking it to my mom's house tomorrow so we can all eat it. But anyways, I'm talking too much. Let's get started. Okay, just to show you guys really quickly what I have, I'm probably gonna try to zoom in when I'm editing, but okay, let me move the stuff out of my way. Okay, wait, I didn't even show you guys. Oh my god, I'm all over the place. I didn't even show you guys what I'm gonna use or what I got to make this cake. Also, if you see that this eye looks crazy, it's because I don't know why my eye was just crying for like 30 minutes, like, and burning. And now like my mascara is everywhere and my lashes all over the place. But anyways, we're gonna move on. So what I got, let me go get some wine. For anyone wondering, this right here is the best wine ever. Don't drink unless you're over 21. Cheers. So good. Okay, now we can get started. So I got this decorating cupcake icing in green, which is gonna be for a top part. I have these little decorating things from Target. You're supposed to have a like something to put it, but I only have this, so that's what we're gonna use. Then I have 2 whipped frosting in fluffy white. This is going to be my failed attempt at doing the little drip thing because I couldn't find red chocolate. So we're gonna use this. Then I have some little tips, the piping bags, a little tiny fondant in red for the bow, and last but not least, my turntable. Okay, so the first step is we have to level this cake out, which I have no idea how I'm gonna do, but let's see. I guess I have this bowl right here where I'm just gonna put like the leftover cake. I'm so nervous. Honestly, how do people like bake cakes so perfectly? I feel like I didn't even start yet and I'm already all over the place. I wish I could play some music. Oh, by the way, you guys, I'm doing 1 layer of funfetti cake and 1 layer of chocolate cake. Start off by doing the first layer. I'm gonna put it on top of this because I don't have the little board that she uses. Yeah, that should work. First step is, actually this is the second step because that was the first step. We have to add a little bit of this on here so that your cake does not slide everywhere. Pretty good. So I'm gonna put the crumb part facing down. Okay, we got one done. Now let's do the other one. So I'm gonna do the same steps with this one. I'm just gonna cut the top piece off, and this one is the chocolate one. I have a feeling this video is gonna be really long, so if it is, grab your little glass of wine with me or a snack. I'm starving right now. This is a lot harder than it looks. So oh my god, I'm already making a mess. She did add a little bit of frosting in between the cakes. And we're just gonna flip this over. Oh my god, it broke. It's okay. We're fine, we're fine, we're fine. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep taking sips of wine. It's gonna take me like 27 years. This is just so good. Now that we have our cakes together, we need to start frosting them on the outside. So, I don't know if you guys can see right here, but my cake broke a little bit. So I'm gonna do a crumb topping. I think that's what it's called. Basically what it is just like a light, it's basically just like a light layer of icing so that all the crumbs don't get stuck. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough, to be honest. And we're done with the first one. I think I should have gotten 3. Oh my god. Okay, my cake is a little bit crooked, but I think I'm gonna use one of these to kind of make like a cute little design around the border because it's a little crooked. I have no idea how to use this, but we're gonna figure it out. I don't think I'm built for this cake decorating life. I'm gonna try to, I don't know, I guess level the frosting with this. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. It is not that bad, but I don't know. So next is the red like dripping part, and I have decorating gel for that, even though it's supposed to be with chocolate, but I don't have chocolate, so this looks horrible. Okay, this is my very sad attempt at dripping my cake. Now we have to make the little green swirls on top. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Okay. Basically, now we have a tie-dye cake. That red frosting was a fail. And then I tried to add green to make it better. And that was an even worse fail. So here we are now with a tie-dye cake. I had to take a little break. The cake is over there. But I'm gonna get started with the little bow because I didn't realize that it has to sit in the fridge for a little while. So let me take another sip. And let's get started with the bow. So for the bow, you need fondant. I'm using this little mat that I have. A pizza cutter. I don't know if she used a pizza cutter, but I feel like it'll work anyways. And a rolling pin. And some powdered sugar so that it doesn't get stuck to my mat. So I'm gonna start off by putting a little bit of sugar on my mat. I feel like this is the most failed, I don't even know how to say it, but this is gonna be a fail, you guys. So if you're expecting me to make a cake as perfect as hers, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna make it into a little ball. This is actually a lot softer than I thought it was gonna be. And then we roll it. Oy. Oh, was I supposed to put some sugar on my... I think I was. Okay, so we have a little line like this. And then you just cut the sides off. Okay, that is extremely crooked. Okay, now you're just gonna fold it in the middle, but first put a little bit of water. And then you grab a paper towel. And you put it in between, I guess. Guys, I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. We are back with the cake and it's refill time. So I added a few of these little like white crystals on top of the cake, and I think I'm gonna add a few of the green ones. And then on the green part, I'm gonna use this one right here, which is like red, green, and white. Okay guys, so I actually cleaned everything up. And this is what my cake is looking like. The only thing left is to apply our little bow, which I'm hoping... Oh my god, did the paper get stuck? No, it's fine. I think I'm just gonna kind of place it right there. Like that. And then with a little bit of water, I'm just gonna wipe off the sugar. I'm gonna use my finger because nobody's eating it other than me and my family, and we're not gonna eat the bow because it's fondant, so. Okay, you guys, so here is the final look. I mean, I don't think I did horrible, to be honest, but it could have been better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make. It was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Bye guys.